Magnus best is crew, they got the neck. Trading paper, chasing, never looking back. Strategy so tight like a beat in our track. From zero to hero with a golden stack. Pencils down, now we hit the game. Trade so sweet like they got no shame. Flipping coins like fortune's our name. Magnus teaching, gotta give him fame. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class we're all the news. Magnus' bestest strategy is the key to the freedom. His students prove it every day, like the master who leads them. Magnus brought the light, the vibe. Surfing market waves, what a ride. Grit and hustle, earning our stripes. Epic feeling, life takes flight. Numbers dancing on the screen all day. Smiles wide, we got a lot to say. Winning hearts turns work to play. Epic journey, come what may. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class we're all the news. Magnus better like the vibe. Surfing market waves, what a ride. Grit and hustle, earning our stripes. Epic feeling, life takes flight. Numbers dancing on the screen all day. Smiles wide, we got a lot to say. Winning hearts turns work to play. Epic journey, come what may. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feelings, rhythm and blues. In his class we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class we're all the news. In his class we're all the news. In his class we're all the news. We rise together, never alone. In Magnus' bestest class we found our home. With that passion ignited like a firestone. In this world of trade and we're finally known. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feelings, rhythm and blues. In his class we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class we're all the news. We rise together, never alone. In Magnus' bestest class we found our home. With that passion ignited like a firestone. In this world of trade and we're finally known. Magnus bestest crew, they got the neck. Trading paper, chasing, never looking back. Strategy so tight like a beat in our track. From zero to hero with a golden stack. Pencils down, now we hit the game. Trade so sweet like they got no shame. Flipping coins like fortune's our name. Magnus teaching, gotta give him fame. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class we're all the news. Magnus' bestest strategy is the key to the freedom. His students prove it every day, like the master who leads them. Magnus brought the light, the vibe. Surfing market waves, what a ride. Grit and hustle, earning our stripes. Epic feeling, life takes flight. Numbers dancing on the screen all day. Smiles wide, we got a lot to say. Winning hearts turns work to play. Epic journey, come what may. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class we're all the news. Magnus better like the vibe. Surfing market waves, what a ride. Grit and hustle, earning our stripes. Epic feeling, life takes flight. Numbers dancing on the screen all day. Smiles wide, we got a lot to say. Winning hearts turns work to play. Epic journey, come one day. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feelings, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. In his class, we're all the news. In his class, we're all the news. We rise together, never alone. In Magnus' bestest class, we found our home. With that passion ignited like a firestone. In this world of trade, and we're finally known. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feelings, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. These bastards screw, they got the knack. Trading paper, chasing, never looking back. Strategy so tight like a beat in our track. From zero to hero with a golden stack. Pencils down, now we hit the game. Trade so sweet like they got no shame. Flipping coins like fortune's our name. Magnus teaching, gotta give him fame. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves, got nothing to choose. Epic feeling, rhythm and blues. In his class we're all.
Let's go. Let's go, guys. How are you? Okay, I'm starting live. Let's see how the market's gonna behave. I don't care, nobody's watching. Basically, it's just uh, start of the journey. Futures. Let's go. So, what does he want to do? Still have 7 minutes till the market opens. Okay. So let me draw some levels. It's dropping very nicely in the market. So now what does it do? Does it want to finally turn up? Interesting. So yeah, I'm still waiting basically for my microphone, probably tomorrow or in 2 days. So hopefully it's not so bad. It's just the laptop mic. And I'm also pretty far from it. Oh wait, I forgot my music. So what do we do here? 1 minute and reverse pump. Hmm. So 4 minutes. We are far from the 200 MA. Um, Hmm. Okay, so 2.5 minutes for the start. Where does it want to go? That's interesting. I think it will go up. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's see. I do have 10 points. What? Ah, so 10 points, pretty big range. Actually, no, 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 no. Okay, less than 1 minute. Let's go. Okay, okay, okay. Almost. Eyes down. Okay, interesting. Okay, that's interesting. Write down. So is it a fake out of the lows? Let's see. Huh. Is it a fake out, guys? What does he want to do? Okay, okay. Yeah. Interesting price action. Now we need to be careful, guys. This is it can be still like just faking out those buyers. I mean, like their stop losses. I just want to stay away from this. This is not. It's just hard to read right now. Okay, let's see if it them down. Try to look it. Scope. Another nice sculpt. Okay, now I retraced nicely. What does he want to do? Uh, I don't like this candle. Interesting. Okay, so it continues down. Oh, okay, okay. So still going down. Okay, okay, interesting. Okay, I'm a million. Not another quick scalp, but I should have entered here. I just we're looking at something else. I don't like this trend line can jump to me. Or is it already behind? So is it gonna bounce? That's the question. Okay. Dropping. Yeah, just too excited. I cannot get in. Okay. So we broke, but that's the question. Everybody's expecting long, so I just we are very extended. I don't wanna actually do any trade so far. we might very well just, guys, just reverse on this order block. Or actually, well, yeah, yeah, no, I don't trade this. Hmm, smaller trades, but huh. Okay, so can we get a structure that we could enter? Okay, that means dangerous to short. We are already far. Interesting. That's interesting, guys. Nobody's watching, but okay. Yeah, we need to be patient. This is the patient game, patience game right now. Mm, I'm gonna wait it out. Yeah, nice. Hmm. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Still beautiful drop. I got some profits, but very, very short profits, like quick in and out. Okay.
found our home with that passion ignited like a firestone in this world of trade, and we're finally known.
Let's go.
We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves got nothing to choose. And it's feeling rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the new us. We're the ones who never.
Let's go.
We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves got nothing to choose. And it's feeling rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the new us. We're the ones who never.
Let's go. Let's go. Okay. What do you want to do? Still dropping. Completely extended price action. So can we get at least like bearish flag over here now? Okay. What do you want to do? Still dropping. Completely extended price action. So can we get at least like bearish flag over here now? Okay. What do you want to do? Still dropping.
Every gamer knows it's true. Precision
Completely
in
extended
each
price
move you
action.
make. Let your skills.
So can we get at least like
Madness bestest master.
bearish flag over here now?
All day it's so clever. Pixel perfect every strike. Victory is on your side. Attention to each detail nice. Crafted once but lasts for life. Say
Still dropping.
every gamer knows it's true. Precision
Completely
in
extended
each
price
move you
action.
make. Let your skills.
Okay, now maybe building that bearish flag. Okay, now maybe building that bearish flag. Let's go. Okay, now maybe building that bearish flag. And I'm actually also testing the music still. So basically, um, I need to leave it like on, but I don't want to do it in some way. So, and also it uses one of my programs in a way I don't like. So basically, I just need to still tweak some things, but no problem. I'm actually also testing the music still. So basically, um, I need to leave it like on, but I don't want to do it. Okay, okay.
Surprising us. And do some math. 1 second.
You good math?
Yeah.
You know
yeah.
math?
filled.
Yeah, I know
Okay.
math.
What are you talking about?
Go down a bit.
Talking about Willis.
You talking
Is that
about
what you're
Taryn?
talking about, Willis? Oh, I say that all the time. I love that you say that. Okay, so far the range of the day in NQ is 371 points.
Yeah, and the range is supposed to be 260.
Oh, earlier?
Order
Yeah,
filled.
well, What's the ATR?
Oh, I don't know what the ATR is. I just kind of eyeball it. I'm like a vibe girl,
Um,
right?
Hold on a second.
I'm
Wait,
like
I
a
thought this
vibe
whole
girl.
time we were talking about the ATR. You're like, no, I just vibing it.
I'm just vibing.
What's
No, no, no.
ATR? What's the gap fill? What are you talking about? I love it.
I'm like a vibe girl. Like
Yeah.
I look at the chart when I'm going.
vibe.
I'm a vibe girl.
What's your strategy? Oh, I just vibe, man.
I just vibe.
Just
catch
wait
a
to see
vibe.
like a candle, and I'm like, okay, I'm vibing.
No, so okay, so there are people who are highly conscientious people. I'm
Yeah.
not one of those. I'm
You're
like
a
I don't like it. I don't like it.
About
I
you,
like
like,
to
oh man,
vibe.
Terry's a vibe.
It broke our order block,
So I
so
like to eyeball things,
this
right?
can do
So
anything.
I've noticed that recently, like I'll pay attention to the range each day,
Yeah.
and then I'm like, okay, so we're kind of trading in a smaller range, an NQ. Soon, I
When
don't
it's
know,
ready
my
to wait for
brain
that
likes to go from
bear
something to
flag.
something.
Yeah.
And so today, when I came, and I was like, oh, like pre-market,
So that was
we've
break
had
even.
a decent sized day
I got out.
already. So I'm like, all right,
I
it's
got
gonna be
out
that kind of day.
on
Yeah,
the
I vibe.
exact moment
Chad,
of the
you guys want
middle
the vibes?
ground.
Good
Vibes,
vibes,
Chad.
good
If you like the
vibes.
vibes today, let us know. Let us know, Chad.
I don't like to do exact. I'm like, no, I gotta be free.
We're gonna do a poll. Do we like the vibes?
Good vibes.
Okay.
And look, this is that fucking push.
Very
But
interesting.
it's so hard because like, what do? You just go long down there?
Yeah,
I mean, that's 100 points. I mean, well, almost 100 points now.
just like that
Off the fucking low, man.
in less than 10 minutes.
God.
Interesting
So
price
hard.
action, guys, over here.
Mm.
A little bit annoying.
And
We
look,
need to wait for
15
that.
minute chart. What do we do?
Yeah, it's
We
That was actually a nice retrace. So for now, bearish flag so far. Wow.
And now we're just gonna chop.
we got 10 minutes before the news.
Yep.
Mm.
So I'll be looking to get short if the news comes out and it's actually.
Someone said the news already came out. I don't know if they're just trolling me or what, but you never know with the chat. Yeah, you also don't know what kind of news they're thinking about. They could be like, yeah, the news, McDonald's is gonna have new cheeseburgers. Didn't you hear?
Mm.
Look at that wick on the hourly. Wow.
We need to wait, guys. If anybody's watching, basically, this is I do these lives. I just want to record my sessions. This is my new journey, futures, nice challenge, and I actually, my biggest fan. I rewatch my videos and check for any
Maybe
mistakes
we'll
or
check
what.
up here, Terry.
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
Are you feeling shorty yet?
Whoa, that much. Was that news?
Someone farted. Someone literally just farted. This is
Order
that
filled.
15 fucking range right there.
Oh wow.
Getting down.
Okay, I'm tempted to take this short, but news is supposed to come out in 8 minutes.
Yeah, that's the only. I would be tempted too because it almost tapped the 14 EMA.
Yes, I have this SMA,
Yeah.
the 14 on mine.
So
Order
rejected
filled.
it.
But still, there's news. I need to be careful.
I'll wait
News coming.
for the news.
Wow.
All right, well, since everyone else is waiting, maybe that means I should just get short. And then, if I win, then it's like, hey, I win. If nobody else will be, hey, if I lose, it's like, I lost.
Well, it's just that my stop would have to be back
Yeah.
at 524.
Yeah.
So-
No, I agree with you. I'm
Yeah.
just like playing devil's advocate in the sense that, like, because if you're being patient, maybe the market's not going to be patient. It's just
Patience is now
'Cause sometimes it be
your
like,
biggest friend,
It's
guys.
the opposite.
Yeah.
Let's
If everyone's
go.
waiting,
Yeah,
it'll
when
just take
everyone's
off.
waiting to get short, then the market does give you the dump.
And then everyone chases, and
Yeah.
then it'll reverse.
And then
Yeah,
it
we
reverses.
do actually big moves here, so we need to be
Push right back into
careful.
the middle of the 15-minute range, kind of a bear flag here on the 1-minute chart now. Got a little bit of news coming out. Look at that 2-minute candle. Got absolutely just destroyed there at the 550s. So we're back below that pivot point. We got the 15-minute range down there, 420s. It's kind of like this is
Oh, I don't like it.
that 480 short, or right below that pivot point would have been the entry there. Let's see. Maybe if we get one more little push back up, get denied at that pivot point, then maybe that's the entry. Get a little retest, that breakout right there.
Liking the vibes? And I have
Yeah,
to
no,
vote
I think
yes.
we got
Vote yes here.
Definitely.
87%, the 13%, they're obviously liberal, and we can't help them. You cannot. It is a sickness that cannot be cured.
But long candle.
Ain't nobody
This
got time for that.
Ain't no we got time. We're here to make money, not talk about our feelings.
this is a. We need to be careful.
All right. Getting kind of like it's teasing. It is such a tease right now.
Again, boring price action.
Fuck. Teasing. Absolutely teasing here now.
Still nothing.
Go for the shorts.
Yeah, I don't
And
know.
it's like a little interesting too because this current 5-minute candle put in a higher high, right, than the
Yeah.
previous candle, but it didn't put in a lower low yet. So the problem is, it's like that's it's kind of telling you that there's, even though that candle's obviously a bearish candle, it's just that for it hasn't put in a lower low yet. So it's kind of interesting, right?
This can do anything.
Just look like they.
This
look
is
like trouble
just.
down there. Like both the low.
I don't like it.
22,
Yeah.
24. Like there's no wick on the bottom of those candles at all.
Mm-hmm.
Trap be getting trapped.
I don't know.
For further news.
We can wait.
I think the safe play for me is just wait, let the news come out, right?
Yeah.
Wait
I think
5 minutes.
I think the news might have already come out, honestly, because everyone keeps talking about. I'm gonna look. I don't know.
Okay. Waiting.
Yeah, I think it already came out. Or existing home sales already came out. The other number, month over month, is coming out. We got Fed Bauman speaking there as well. So
Do you know what?
retesting that pivot again.
One of the things I love about the market
Yeah, this is
we all
something
get to trade it, and the exact same chart, the
that
exact same market.
improves your patience, guys.
Exactly.
So
I love that. It's
that's why I like
I love it.
just the
I'll tell you why.
opening
Yeah,
trades,
it's like playing golf.
because then it's just
An amateur and a pro
a
can
lot of
play the exact
waiting.
same course. Like as an amateur, I can play the exact same course as a pro, and I can feel like I get to experience what they're
I still
experiencing.
didn't like
Obviously,
the
scores are
open today
completely
as well.
different,
So
but like with
it was just
these
very careful
markets,
trading.
we get to do that. We get to
Small
compete,
profits.
We get to like improve every day and make our way up to be like the top 1%. Right? I love that.
You are just a bundle of joy, Terry.
Thank you.
Terry is just over there living the dream.
But and it's funny you say that too, because you're 100% right. But then you'll get like, it's funny, like you look at the chat and you'll get, if you're going short and somebody's long bias, or it's a long, right? They're like so adamant about
So
it.
what does he want to do?
Both ways. That's the thing, right? So
Well,
it's also,
Yeah.
you can make money.
The same time
Depending
there's
on what
someone in
you
the
see.
chat saying it's a long, there's also someone saying it's a short.
Exactly.
So like the
Correct.
funniest is the person who's wrong, they're gonna disappear, right? They're not gonna stay around in the chat to remind everybody that they were wrong. Like but they will be here to tell D Money, be like, D Money, I told you it was a short.
Yeah.
And you're like, well, I wasn't arguing with you, but like that's the funny thing about the chat. People think like, oh, the chat was right. I'm like, well, I mean, like maybe 30% of the chat was right, and the other half that was screaming short.
Still waiting.
But it's also like Terry talked about the other day. Like it's easy to sit on the internet or on this stream and just be like, yeah, I think the market's gonna go down. And then when it goes down, be like, yeah, see, I told you.
Yeah.
You're like, oh well, I mean, yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
It's hard to put a trade on, Like,
Yep.
like look, I talked about the idea of the market pushing back up to the middle of the 15-minute range. I didn't short there, but it did. So like, was I right? No. I mean, I talked about it, but like, am I the
Did you
best
put the
trader
trade
ever?
on?
I didn't put a trade on.
You are a very good
I pussied
trader.
out.
Yeah.
But like it played out exactly like
Come on. This is boring.
and we said, I mean, it makes sense to kind of push back up there, test that 15-minute range.
Just
Yeah.
That's exactly what we did.
stay in one place.
Below that pivot point. That's what I love about the internet, like with the gurus and the furus. Like, if you sit on Twitter and you just talk about the market moving up and down all day, like you're gonna be right. Majority of the time, like, oh, guys, today the market's gonna go down. I'm like, well, how much is it gonna go down? Well, I'm just telling you it's gonna go down. I don't know how, it might chop for 6 hours straight, but at some point it's gonna go down.
I called it. I told you. Yeah.
Yeah. And then you're an idiot.
Choppy, choppy.
Oh, you didn't know it was gonna go down? Like, you know, like even that open. We're sitting there like there's no way to just keep going down.
Yeah.
And there it goes. Trying to make new lows now, so. D-Money with this money alarm.
Yeah, it's about
You got that
10
money
o'clock.
alarm over there going on.
It's almost 10 o'clock.
Ding, 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 time to make some money.
Do
Mm.
you have a cutoff time when you're done trading D-Money?
Yeah, typically 11, 11:30. And then
Unless
I'll look-
something like special is happening in the market.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I'll look at that PM session,
Mm-hmm.
like going into the close.
The power hour.
Nice little push, kind of down, a little. It's very tempting to go short. 10 o'clock here. I mean, either way, we're gonna get that new hourly candle opening up.
Okay, 1 minute.
This thing.
Let's see what's gonna happen. 1 minute.
Little wick there on that previous hourly candle to the downside right now.
It's gonna pump.
Obviously opening up right there at that pivot point on the hour.
Oh yeah. Nice.
There we go. See, that's that little pop.
So that was
We're testing
some
this 70.
quick
If we
news.
get rejected here, we kind of start to move down. I'm gonna go for the short. I keep talking about it, but basically, like if we break, kind of like what we're doing right now, almost like getting stuck there below those EMAs or stuck below the.
Okay, so hopefully it's gonna now start to move when everybody was waiting for the news. But now, once it's out, hopefully it's gonna do some move.
One thing too about
Finally.
trading live is like you have to like you can't be like neutral, right? So like if you're sitting here and you're trading, like you gotta kind of like be like, hey, I think it's a short. You know, you
Well,
might be
this
wrong,
looks-
but like if you
It
see
can
it
be a
really
short
good, you
if
just sit there and
we.
be like, yeah, it might go up, it might go down,
Yeah.
right? Like you gotta like kind of put it out there and be like, okay, I think it's a short.
Yeah, but we definitely need some
Like,
structures,
it didn't work out.
some
It's
bearish
so easy for people to, like,
structures.
then grab that and be like, see, this guy sucks. He sucks.
Yeah, I'm in a long,
Ooh.
so retest of the 1 hour.
Was that your hourly idea?
Yeah, it's the
Fucking
hourly
D-Money.
idea. So let's see what happens.
You got a target or you
Yeah, so possibly 541. I mean, I'm up $520 right now.
Sweet.
I don't call D-Money for nothing.
Winning. Woo! It keeps pumping higher. Let's go, D-Money.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Terry's the best. I love Terry.
Okay.
We are getting movement.
We
Holy
are
shit.
refilling
Yeah.
this wick.
Look at that beautiful candle pushing back up here now. You saved me from the short.
It has
D-Money.
this nice double maybe.
Sometimes the best trades are the scariest trades, right? Like when
This thing's
I'm
ripping right
feeling
now.
like,
Yeah.
oh, it's ripping.
Got in at 462.
Woo. Up 40 points here. Let's go. I guess I won't have to give D-Money money for lunch today because I think he's making some money.
Let's go. Let's go.
Ain't gotta give him no money for lunch.
Let's go, Chad.
Wow. 500s. Here we are.
He's at 440s you're looking at.
Yeah,
Is
Uh,
that because
I close because of that. I don't
Yeah.
like I don't like that pushback down, but that was $700. So,
Woo!
and that
Nice.
was just a theory. So I saw PW people, they were kind of asking about the 1 hour, explaining the 1 hour
Yeah.
like theory or strategy or whatever you want to call it, right? So basically, what we saw at the open of this 10 a.m. candle, it was a small wick that was put in
Yep.
to the downside, right? And if you look at the 1 hour chart,
Looking at 1 hour chart right now.
yeah, so on that 1 hour chart, that wick is only about not even 10 points, right? So the entry was there. 'Cause I
Okay,
got
nothing interesting for me, like still waiting, no
and then my
no
stop
clear
was at the
action
low of the previous
take.
1 hour candle. So you had about a 20, 25 point
Yeah,
stop.
that's a great
Basically we are in consolidation. If it's not gonna be like now beautiful double, it's like just really consolidate.
Really go for some
It's gonna consolidate.
up here. Because you never know. This hourly candle could push all the way back up. You know, and retest that.
Probably
down.
just
And you're in a
quickly
really
up
you're
or consolidation.
for the
Boring.
450 area. For 440.
So which one is it?
And you're risking 20 points for a possible 100-point move back up.
And it's still pushing.
Yeah.
So that's it, you know, and as long as you're, and I know there'll be some people in the chat. Oh well, he's going the opposite direction of momentum. But take a look at the 1 hour chart. Look how many red candles are on the 1 hour chart consecutively, right? So since
But it has still place to go down. At least in the middle of the week.
you've had basically nothing but red candles. So the odds are you never want to get.
Yeah, I think it will go
when
to
there's
the
1, 2, 3,
to
4,
this
5. You had
level.
6 red candles. So the odds are that it's going to be some type of reversal.
Yeah.
It's going to be pretty heavy, right? So and you think
There's
about
gonna
it,
be probably a
how
pump,
take profit was
short pump,
because it was the wick of that
like here. We'll see.
candle, the bottom, the low of the
Bottom of that previous wick, basically
Yeah.
8 a.m. candle.
8 a.m. candle,
Yeah.
and it coming pretty close to that.
Nice trade.
Thanks.
And that's how you do it, boys. It's also, I mean, if you look at the smaller time frame, the hourly chart, that's obviously the higher low,
Yeah.
right? So, like, I like that you kind of point out the fact of, like, yes, you are, like, you're not per se going with the trend, but you're playing into the idea of, like, the higher time frame being like, hey, this hourly candle probably, 9 out of 10 times.
So everybody looks at it differently. At the chart, everybody sees something else. It just depends on what you are focusing right now within your strategy or what's your strategy. Hopefully just very narrow, focused. So basically this, for example, this price action doesn't meet my criteria at all.
So that the hourly, I like that. I really like that.
So it's just a
hourly
waiting
view on
game.
it because it's like, hey, like you said, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big red candles straight down. Look at this.
And it's
D
still
Money
going.
with the call of the day MVP. Terry's been killing it, but I think that call right there definitely gets him on the board for MVP of the day right now. We'll see. And I like the best part about that is that you had a process, right? You had your like.
The thing I didn't like about this entry was these weeks too long. Otherwise it was perfect.
Right, I've looked at this hourly
The drop.
times to be like, hey,
So I closed it soon because I just didn't like those candles.
100 fucking points right
But it would have been a nice trade
And so
again as yesterday.
So if
So I was overcautious.
the thing is, everybody in the chat. So this is like a perfect example. So Terry saw a really good trade she took that worked. And for me, I just waited, right? Because I know that okay, I'm not great before if there's a heavy drop or a heavy push up, right at market open. Typically for me,
This can do anything. This can even like measure the W.
And letting the
You know what I mean, guys?
down a little bit, and then I can pick my spots.
You see my shorts.
That's what I did, right? So don't feel like you're
It
missing a trade
can do
just because you didn't take it
at least half.
right at the market open, right? So, and we're almost retracing the entire
Yeah.
I mean, we're almost
move.
the back top
Yeah,
of the
we're about to
15-minute
retrace
range.
the whole entire 930 move.
Amazing.
Probably now we
Heading towards
are
that VWAP.
going bounce from here, from this
FOMO
order
means
block,
fear of missing out. Fear of missing out.
or a little bit before that.
People be like, oh, what's FOMO? I'm like, if you don't know what FOMO is, you got FOMO. I only lost a little bit.
Thank you.
Anybody
Yeah,
need
I'm
a
good.
bait
Thank
break?
you. I
Anybody need a
appreciate
bait break? Nobody?
Okay.
Editor, you need to go vaping for a little bit?
Is it going up?
I wonder what I
Still,
can say to the editor to make him cry.
at least around here.
No.
At least still
We're
around
gonna
this area.
spend a whole month basically together out in California, and we're going to Mexico for 8 days. Vape break? Nobody?
Okay.
Editor, you need to go vaping for a little bit?
Is it going up?
I wonder what I
Still,
can say to the editor to make him cry.
at least around here. But it has still a place to go down. At least in the middle of this week.
You've had basically nothing but red candles. So the odds are you never want to get
Yeah, I
short
think it will go
when
to
there's one,
the
two, three,
to
four,
this
five. You had
level.
6 red candles. So the odds are that it's gonna be some type of reversal.
Yeah.
It's gonna be pretty heavy, right? So and
But
if you think
there's
about
gonna
it,
be probably a
the
pump,
take profit was
short pump.
5 because it was.
So I was right. We are doing this W. Okay.
The wick of that.
Or
Hey,
block.
you're missing out. Take profit was
Short pump.
5 because it was. The wick of that.
Or
Hey,
block.
you're missing out.
Short pump. Or block. Short pump.
Magnus bestest, chasing dreams so high with every move. He reaches for the sky, but in his heart he
1-for-1 off my target. I'm gonna vibe it, right? So my target
Okay,
is
so what do
628.
we have?
All right. Well,
Okay, I think it will go still up. This is just a very nice, efficient price action. Almost. Okay, it can go down around here, but it's just pumping. This this area is now can do anything. That was a nice trade from here, as I show in my shorts. This is the W pattern. Okay. But I think I will not trade anymore today. Ah, small push. Let's go. Small profit. Again, let's go. Quick profit again. Now we are finishing the W pattern. So it could reverse from here a little bit. Okay, nice push. So far, I'm very like cautious. I do because I need to get accustomed to the platform, to the trading style. I've been trading a lot, just options, pocket option, binary options. So that's different thinking. So I need to adjust a little bit. Yeah. Hmm. Now it can go anywhere. Either it respects this order block and goes down more, or it just pumps through and stops around here. Actually, we have nice level here as well. This level, Go wing up. Yeah, nice. So now we are above the W level. Okay. Nice pump. It's basically still, so it will need some correction pretty soon. Ignore this order block. So now we are at a nice level. But nothing to trade. Yeah, it's gonna go down a little bit, but you cannot be sure how long, how safe it is, Meaning not safe. Just setting up something, guys, also in my streaming software. So that's don't even look at the chart much. Still basically taking it very slow with the live streams. So nice pump. That was a nice W. So make sure, guys, you watch my shorts. I do these patterns very often so that you get into your mind and have quick reactions. I didn't trade it because this this is not my strategy for futures, and also it's basically any potential reversal is very huge for three contracts. So I need to just sniper action this always so far. Still warming up with my trading lives, getting accustomed still, to the platform, to the new style of trading. A lot different than anything else.
this passage.
Still testing something. Okay, so I think I got my music working now very good how I wanted. Basically, there's another problem with Streamlabs. They don't allow inputting a source as a VLC playlist. So there's no option for this, even though everybody's requesting it. For some reason, they just decided it's not so important. So I just had to find a workaround. So I quickly created a playlist file and then I imported it as a source. Basically listening how it shows up on the live, on my live. It looks pretty okay. Yeah, so it's just now about like just managing the volume, but it's so basically now it's like sniper isolated, no desktop noise or sound or outside noise. So I have just my okay, I'm happy about it. You can't imagine, basically 3 days setting up this whole thing. Okay, and now just need to get the microphone. It's gonna come in 2 days because I'm still, my microphone broke 4 days ago, so now I'm waiting for a new one already coming probably tomorrow, maybe 2 days I think. And then it will be a perfect setup and we can focus just on trading. Today, basically a very small trading day, just basically like break even, small profits, so small losses, small profits, just here and there, quick trades. Okay, so I cannot wait for my next live trading sessions. And I'm gonna check something else. Okay, my test is finished, so now I'm gonna listen to the results. I'm listening my live. So I'm doing my live and I'm listening to it. That's how deep this stuff goes, guys. Like dream in a dream in a dream in a dream. Actually, that happened to me. I was like in 3 dream levels. And I woke up and then I woke up and then I woke up. Like for all the dreams. Okay, test successful. Because now I can hear myself saying test is finished. Okay. That's okay. That's nice.
In his class were all the news. In his class were all the news.
You know that Inception movie, schmovie. That was a nice movie. I think many people actually didn't even understand all the details. So the price action, of course, now just consolidation after a nice pump, nice W trade. I mean W pattern trade. For many people, also W win trade.
Magnus bestest, chasing dreams so high with every move he reaches for the sky, but in his heart he knows the score. It's not just skill, it's something more. He stays humble, gives the glory to the one above. Every win, every gain is guided by his love. Magnus knows it's not by chance, it's by God's grace he's led his dance. He stays humble, gives the glory to the one above. Every win, every gain is guided by his love. Magnus bestest in the beat, tries the path that God bestows. For every step he says a prayer, knowing God's hand is always there. With every trade, with every deal, he knows God's love is true and real. So even when the world applauds, he lifts his voice and praises God. He stays humble, gives the glory to the one above. Every win, every gain is guided by his love. Magnus bestest at the beat, Magnus bestest is the best. Magnus bestest, he's led this dance.
Okay, so I think that's it for today. And ready for tomorrow. It's Friday. So hopefully we'll get a better trade and no problems with streaming platform anymore.
Stars wink above us in a velvet sky. Eyes full of wonder, hearts flying high. Softly we dance with a rhythm so true, wrapped in the warmth of a love we once knew. Oh, under the moonlight, our love's a song, a melody cherished
All right.
where we belong. Each note a promise forever and more, dancing together on a golden shore.
If we retrace a little bit and it up, it will be okay. And now
Moments of laughter, moments of bliss, in this embrace where our hearts beat as one. Life feels like a dance that's only begun. Candles flicker, casting shadow show. eyes locked in passion, setting dreams aglow. With every step, our spirits entwine. Two souls in concert, a love so divine. Time seems to vanish under the spell. A waltz with eternity where we dwell.
Yeah, but we have a doji here, so that's weird.
We amaze and
This one is to our choice. If anybody wants to enter for this quick liquidity.
all through the moonlight, our love's a song, a melody cherished where we belong. Each note a promise forever and more, dancing together on a golden shore. Under the moonlight, our love's a song, a melody cherished where we belong. Each note a promise
Choosing.
forever and more, dancing together on a golden shore.
Yeah, I can go down. Was in the middle. Yeah, nice. Okay, that's it, guys. I set up everything I wanted. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like 3 guys who watched my live, I think. Nobody, no problem. It's just slowly getting started, and I'm glad that I can have this as my trading journal for my great new journey in futures. So again, thanks for watching, and have a nice day.